Have you ever noticed how some mornings just feel off from the very start? You wake up, grab your phone, rush to get ready, and by 10 a.m., you're already tired. Not because you did too much, but because you started your day in a way that quietly drained your energy. The truth is, most people don't lose their energy because of what happens during the day. They lose it because of what they do in the first hour after waking up. And if you keep repeating those small morning mistakes, your entire day turns into a cycle of exhaustion, distraction, and stress. So let's talk about the 5 morning mistakes that are silently stealing your energy, and how you can finally take it back. Mistake number 1: starting your day in panic mode. Your alarm goes off. You instantly grab your phone. Notifications, messages, emails, news. Your brain gets bombarded before you've even taken your first calm breath. Here's the problem: when you wake up, your brain is still transitioning from rest to alertness. It needs peace, stillness. But the moment you check your phone, you throw it straight into chaos. From calm to crisis. From peace to pressure. And that single act, scrolling before sunrise, sets the tone for everything that follows. You start reacting instead of leading. You start chasing instead of creating. So tomorrow morning, try this instead. Before you touch your phone, touch your mind. Take just 2 minutes, breathe, stretch, or sit in silence. Because the way you enter your day determines how your day enters you. Mistake number 2: skipping movement. You tell yourself, "I'll work out later." But later never really comes, does it? So you go straight from bed, to your phone, to your chair, and then wonder why you feel half asleep by noon. It's simple: your body never got the signal that it's time to wake up. Your energy is trapped inside you. Movement doesn't have to mean a full gym session. It could be a short walk, a few push-ups, or even just dancing around while brushing your teeth. Anything that tells your body, "Hey, we're alive, and it's time to move." Energy isn't something you find. It's something you create. And the people who seem full of energy every morning? They're not lucky, they're intentional. Mistake number 3: rushing without direction. You jump out of bed, rush through your morning, and immediately get busy. But being busy doesn't mean being productive. If you don't set a direction, your day will pull you wherever it wants. You'll end up doing 100 small things, but nothing that actually matters. So before you dive in, pause. Ask yourself, what are the 1 or 2 things that truly matter today? Write them down. Keep them in sight. When you start your morning with clarity, you take control of your focus. And when you control your focus, you control your energy. Mistake number 4: skipping real fuel. You grab a coffee. Maybe a donut. And you call it breakfast. But caffeine and sugar don't give you energy, they borrow it. They give you a quick high, and a guaranteed crash. That mid-morning fog you feel? That's not laziness, that's a chemical debt. Your body needs real fuel, not fake stimulation. Something as simple as oats, eggs, fruit, or nuts can completely change how you feel. Because energy isn't only mental, it's biological. Feed your body right, and your mind will follow. Mistake number 5: waking up without gratitude. You open your eyes and instantly think about problems. The deadlines. The messages. The to-do list. But when you start your day in worry, your brain releases stress hormones before you even get out of bed. That's why you feel drained before breakfast. You began your day emotionally heavy. Try this instead. Before you get up, name 3 things you're grateful for. Your health. A friend. Your morning coffee. Or simply the fact that you woke up to live another day. Gratitude isn't just a nice thought, it's a reset button for your mind. It shifts your focus from pressure to presence. From what's missing to what's here. And that single shift can recharge you more than any cup of coffee ever could. Let's recap. Point 5 Small mistakes that quietly drain your energy: starting your day in panic mode, skipping movement, rushing without direction, fueling your body with chaos instead of nutrition, forgetting gratitude. Now here's the truth. Your morning doesn't need to be perfect. You don't need a 2-hour routine or a checklist of habits. You just need awareness. Because every morning, you have two choices: start on autopilot, or start with intention. When you stop letting your mornings drain you, you stop living in survival mode, and start living with strength, peace, and purpose. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for your phone, reach for yourself. Give your mind stillness, give your body movement, give your heart gratitude. And if this message hit you, don't just scroll to the next video. Pause. Reflect. Ask yourself, how do I start my day? Because how you start your morning is how you live your life. If this helped you see your day differently, hit like, comment your biggest morning struggle below. I'll reply to a few personally. And if you're ready to stop being drained and start being intentional, subscribe, because this channel isn't just about motivation, that it's about building mornings and lives that give you energy instead of taking it away.